is much more powerful than your hand. Kicking properly is the most powerful and damaging blow you can administer. Bruce Lee's forte was the Jeet Kune Do kick, which differs from the classical side Jeet Kune Do side kick. Both the snap and thrust are combined, so there's no loss of power and speed. Here, Bruce Lee Jr. is introduced by his father to family, friends, and admirers. Here, Bruce Lee Jr. demonstrates the power punch. Bruce Lee developed Jeet Kune Do, but wished he didn't have a name for it, because the very words Jeet Kune Do already indicate that it's another martial art form. Lee increased the explosiveness of his kick by the use of his hips, instead of relying only on the snap of the foot from the knee. He jerked his hip forward just an instant before his foot makes contact. The timing of the movements is very important and difficult to do. One of the immediate ways to increase your speed at impact is to snap with your hand or foot just before contact. Another demonstration by the champion. If a kick had only power but no snap, the board would be hurled at a distance without breaking, unless it was braced. If the kick had a snap but no power, the board would not break. A 5-inch board without support is too thick to split with a snap kick. The film collections of Hong Kong multimillionaire Samuel Cheng. In 1973, Golden Harvest tried to buy it for $500,000 right after the death of Bruce Lee, but it was not for sale. After years of negotiation, Pioneer Films was able to reproduce it in 35mm film with permission from Mr. Cheng.